Welcome to everyone. Today topic data flows as you all represent online school data license stores. To everyone, now I am talking virtual data all details and shared for you. Everyone today trans SQL questions into logical diagram follows provide visual expected on the overall follows of data. Automatic SQL data, automatic SQL data and DJ. So this is SQL data is solutions and automatic and all problem solved. So everyone, now I'm sure that everyone all details I'm share for you. No problem. I am now this is trending topic and I am find out this is all topic. So this is now I am this price and product review. SQL data cold and SQL follows cold to data related and I am share for you. So now this is site refresh and SQL fold and this is the new program. This is data basic account. Then just sign up powerful capacity and analysis the data and license credited in credited. So everyone, now I'm sure that is lazy and crazy number one. So because I am find out this is the all over and I am always talking virtual data related to content. Virtual data related all my own content, all my profession and all my tayo yes, 31 naman dito. In shape, okay. Beautiful. Na. So, lubala na din. So, everyone now, so that kati bandar kati bandar bandar. So, everyone now this so now I am eating you video making so so everyone oh so now this is price show. Now some I am eating latchi in video C. Please sometime eating now some latchi. This is virtual data product and use so this is based and now this is price only 25 USD. I'm regular 25 USD eating. I'm lot of money. Just one click I am earn $500. Not month is my daily earning. So everyone now my belly very kide. So now I am eating my room and my room eating khichdi. So this is my father hot eating khichdi. So now this is virtual data related content and this is pricing and best and install on your position and on your decision. So everyone, now this video is